Alright guys, so this video is going to be my current favorites video. Oh, and from a video on my hair. Oh my gosh, so after that video, so I'm gonna switch out my clothes like it's another day. Alright, so my current favorites is not a lot because I am afraid to do monthly favorite videos. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, sorry about that. I'm afraid to do monthly favorite videos because I don't think I'm going to go through so much makeup. I'm such a creature of a habit. It's unreal. It is unreal. And I want my current favorites to include other things other than makeup, like, you know, like favorite stuff for the... Alright, let me try and do monthly favorites, but for now we're going to call it current favorites. So my first current favorite, it's... Oh, this is going to be a review because it's not a favorite. Oh, I have videos to film for you guys. Hey! So my first current favorite is this NYX HD Studio Photogenic. Alright, so it's a finishing powder. This will have your makeup matte. If you have oily skin, you put on your, not a favorite, but just mentioning it, this Becca primer, along with whatever foundation, and this to finish off. Boo-boo, you're going to be matte the entire day. Now of course you will get oily because your skin needs to do what it does, but as soon as you see those shines coming through, boo-boo, you don't have to grab anything and pat your nose or pat anywhere. All you need to do is grab a piece of paper towel or a piece of tissue. I love use tissue, a napkin, and you just pat your face, just absorb those oils. Or you can use one of those like film paper things for blotting, those blotting papers, and mama, your makeup will come back like no other. Alright, so this NYX HD Photo Studio Photogenic, yes and yes and yes. Alright, so I have two, not really two, let me just put that. So I've been using these two, but truly the truth is the burgundy palette, it has been a current favorite of mine. Whenever I'm doing any, and I'm doing a lot of red look, I just I just decided to just, of course this is a look that I filmed for you guys, but I decided to just not use, I decided to just put these palettes up, don't use them for a couple of weeks. I don't know if that's going to be possible, but this color here, this is called Dubai, and this color here is called Burgundy. Dubai and the Burgundy, I love those, and I love this one up here, I think it's called Naked, and this one is called Almond. Like 1 2 3 4 there, like those four, they're my favorite. I love it so very much. This palette has definitely been it for me for this season. I don't say month. 3 things left. This LA Girl Pro Primer in black. This is what I'm wearing on my lips, like the black that you see, and I have like eyeshadow over it. This thing has been eyeshadow, it has been an eyeshadow base, sorry, it has been lipstick, it has been eyeliner, it has just been doing the darn thing for me this past couple of weeks. I don't know what LA Girl though, but them finding to this pro primer, and they have it in white. I don't use the white often, I use the black often, and them find it. Secondly, or second to last, this luminous, it's a 5-piece collection, looks luminous, and it's by LA Colors, and it says 5-piece because a little pamphlet came here, sorry it's dusty, a little like pamphlet came here like with instructions or whatever, but I've ditched that. And this is definitely my favorite glow. I don't know if you can see, but it has a lot of digs in it. That's Jonathan. No, not this one over here. This one is my favorite one. This one here, it is so good, and I've googled, not YouTube, I've googled reviews, and people really give this, like, they have bad things to say about this. It's ashy, and I'm like, I don't know how it's ashy, but like, I am dark skinned, and this color here, it's just amazing. This is my favorite one for my glow. Not wearing this I'm not wearing it today for my glow, but this one is definitely my favorite one for glow. And lastly, my Fashionista lashes from my line Pour Me by Lyric. Now this is the packaging of it. Now these lashes are, I don't know, because each of them are handmade, so you're not going to get a lash that's exactly like the other one, and they're so versatile. Sometimes they look a little bit more spaced out, sometimes they look fuller. I'm just like, yes, boo-boo. And I've been wearing these for a long time. Don't worry, we have more styles coming in, you know what I'm saying. Pour Me by Lyric, we're doing it this year, and the packaging, I absolutely love the packaging. I went it tight it looks, well, I tie it at the back. Let me just tie it for you guys and show you how it comes. But I went completely out of my way to have our packaging look different, to have our packaging look unique, and I absolutely love this packaging. It's not the, and I'm not shading any company or anything, but it's not the draw pull out one. It's not the one that you flip up. It's not a rectangle packaging. It's circular. It has our logo on the bottom here, blinking beautiful. And blinking means like you're blinking your eyes, and in Jamaica blinking is an exaggeration, like you're too blinking lie, meaning you're just what's the big word for constantly lying? That you're constantly lying. My blinking hungry, meaning you're extremely hungry. My blinking tired, meaning you're extremely tired. It's just an exaggeration, and I mean that tagline could not just describe it any better. And of course our Pour Me by Lyric logo itself, bold, sophisticated. I'm in love with this packaging. I love these lashes gone to bed. I can't wait to show you guys the new styles that we have coming out. I'm completely excited for this year. This is definitely my monthly current favorites, not a long video. And of course my Pour Me by Lyric brushes. I mean definitely, but these are the ones that I mentioned. 7% apart from the Pour Me by Lyric brushes that I just included. These are the ones, the stuff that I've been just reaching for, and these two really surprised me. Oh, and you can get these at Fantana. You can get this at Fantana. This on my website, pourmebylyric.com, and this on Kylie Cosmetics. I buy all my Kylie stuff from the website, kyliecosmetics.com. Nowhere else. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Pretty short and sweet, to the point. Thank you so much for watching. If you do enjoy this video, please let me know by leaving a thumbs up. Also, a thumbs up really supports my channel. It helps other people to see. I know you have a little girl here, and that really helps to support my channel. So if you do want to see more videos like this, where I have current favorites, and we can probably graduate it into a monthly favorites, just do let me know. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video, which will probably be soon, because I'm going to film my review right now.